Learn how to teach solar principles in effective, engaging ways in your classroom. Join us this summer in Madison, Wisconsin for our annual STEM Educator Solar Institute, the best professional development you'll ever attend. At the Institute, you'll use tools of the trade to install and commission a residential-sized solar photovoltaic array. You'll review and practice necessary safety measures and electrical principles used on the job. Finally, you'll perform and take with you ready-to-use hands-on classroom lab activities that will enable you to bring solar energy to life in your classroom. Classes are held morning and afternoon over 3 weekdays in July at the Madison College Commercial Avenue Solar Laboratory. Hotel accommodations are provided in downtown Madison for 2 nights along with breakfast and lunch. A generous stipend is paid to participants after full completion of the academy. Classroom Materials Awards are available to implement new classroom lessons in your classroom with your students. 1 graduate credit is available upon request. So join us in beautiful Madison, Wisconsin for the best professional development you'll ever attend. Complete the application found on our Create website as soon as it becomes available. See you in Madison.